Hello Klikadas! Welcome to my channel. It's Vivid Style and ako nga pala si Jenny. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe below and like and share, and please continue on watching my videos. On today's video, I am going to teach you some hacks on your Wi-Fi na natutunan ko rin lately. There are times, di ba, na yung mga friends nyo pumupunta sa bahay nyo asking for the password of your Wi-Fi para nga naman tipid sila na gamitin yung data nila, or sometimes wala na rin silang data. So, ikaw, normally, di ba, binibigay natin sa kanila yung password talaga, eksakto. So ngayon, instead of giving out the password, I'm going to teach you on how to prevent bibigay natin yung password ng Wi-Fi natin. So if you wanted to know more about the video, please stay with me so we will know how to do it. First, go to your Safari browser or any browser for Android or Apple, and then type qr-code-generator.com, and you will be routed to the next page. You have to choose the link, click it, so you can be routed to the next page again, and choose Wi-Fi. On the network name box on that page, type in the name of your Wi-Fi. Make sure it is completely right with no spelling mistakes. And then you have to enter also your password. This is the only time you'll ever have to enter your password again. And then click on the green tab for generate QR code. There you go. When you try to download it, it will ask you to make an account, which we don't like or nobody wants to do it. Absolutely. QR code has been generated. You have an option to choose which QR code would you like to get below. You can take a screenshot. Now it is optional to print it out or cut it with a scissor. Put it in a place where you can be able to show it to your friends. And in case a friend went to your home and asked your password, just hand them over the code. Just like on the video, it will ask you to join the name of the network. Just click on join, and then voila! You are now connected to your friend's Wi-Fi. You have the QR code, no need to provide the password. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please do subscribe, like, and share. And if you have any suggestion, please comment on the comment section. Thank you so much for your time, and you have a wonderful day. Bye!